Can you factor out of negative 35 and 14? No, it's not a razor blade. It's a little plate of metal.
Ooh, yeah.
Okay, what can you factor out of both of these?
Ooh, okay, that's 7 up.
Bobby?
Would it be a negative 7?
Get a piece of paper and you're going to find it out. Antonio?
Yeah.
Get your stuff out.
Yeah, get your stuff out.
I just didn't ask why.
Why? What? No. No.
Yeah.
No, I don't have any.
You're supposed to go and stand out in the hall then. Antonio and Bobby, go stand out in the hall. I'll call you back in when we're done.
You guys go. Bad
You're not doing the work and you can wait out in the hall. Because you're noisy and disruptive.
Yeah, you make money.
You can have a 0 on today's lesson. Going down across this direction, what can you factor out? You get 18x squared. And when you add them together, you're going to get your middle term here, which is 9x. So you take this out and plug it in over here. You take and multiply these two together and get this value up here. Now you need to find these two terms. I've already got them written in here, but let's go through the steps that we would use to find these. 18 times 1, if you add 18 and 1, you get 19. That's too big. What other numbers can you multiply to get 18? 9 times 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. That's too big. The next one that goes in that are factors of 18 are 6 and 3. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 plus 3 is 9. So now we know that these are our terms. Because this is x squared, it's 6x and 3x. Do you guys want to go out in the hall?